Hello everybody, have you ever seen this formula on the board? This formula is known as Pythagoras theorem formula, okay? And Pythagoras theorem describes the relationship between the sides of a right-angled triangle. Note, right-angled triangle, okay? So if it's not a right-angled triangle, don't talk about Pythagoras theorem or don't use it, okay? So supposing we have a right angle like this, a right angle triangle like this. Okay. So this is where we have right angle. By right angle, it means that one of the angles is 90 degrees. And this is what we have here. Anytime you see this small square, this means that angle, the angle there is what? 90 degrees, okay? So supposing we have here to be A, here to be B, and here to be C. These are known as two legs. This A and B is known as the legs of the right angled triangle. Then C is known as the what? The hypotenuse, and that is the longest side, okay? So whenever you have any right angled triangle, the first thing, and you want to use Pythagoras theorem formula to solve, the first thing you should look out for is what? Is the hypotenuse. And hypotenuse is always the longest side and the side facing the right angle. You see the right angle is opposite it, okay? All right. So this Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the sum of the squares of the two legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse, okay? These are the legs. We have A as one of the legs and this is the other leg, okay? The sum of the square of this plus the square of this equals the square of this, okay? That is what we have here. A square plus B square equals C square. All right. So whenever you are given a right angle triangle and you want to, and you are not given the side hypotenuse, you use this formula: C square equal to A square plus B square. Okay. Then supposing you are given A and you don't know, supposing you are given A and C and you don't know B, you use this formula. So you make this B square the subject of this particular formula. And we now have B square equal to C square minus A square, okay? This formula is what you are going to use to find the value of B, okay? Supposing you are giving A and you are giving C, but not B, okay? All right. Then if you are giving C and B and you are required to find A, you now make A square the subject. So we have C square minus A square. Sorry, C square minus B square because we are looking for A. B square. All right. So in conclusion, if you are looking for the hypotenuse, add the square of the other two legs, then take the square root. Then if you are looking for if you are asked to find any of the legs, which is A or B, subtract the given leg from the square of the given leg from the square of the hypotenuse, okay? All right, thank you for watching. This is actually a requested video from one of my fans, and I hope he gets to see this. More videos coming on this. Bye.